So the predicament I'm in is this guy is too low. So when I try to put my foot in here to change gears with my huge boot, it's a mission, so I have to like slide it in. So I just want to raise this up to make my life just a whole bunch easier. What I'm going to do is loosen these bolts here. I've got a 10. And what I'm doing is I'm loosening this up so I can adjust this guy later and pull this up, which will in turn pull this guy up. Spin, why not spinning? There's a lot of cramped spots here. Yeah? These two different sizes. Which way you go? Which way do you want to go? Show me. Which way do you want to go, baby? Okay, try something. Okay, you going up? We'll use this like a reference here. Righty tighty, loosey loosey, and then the one's apparently the other way around. I wish I had like the strong fingers. Yeah, I've loosened you. I've loosened you. Alright, so now what I gotta do is rotate this guy, and this will in turn shift. I think. Apparently. Okay, you're lefty loosey. You're righty tighty. Lefty loosey as well, I guess. Okay, loosened you up. I think adequately for both. And now I've just gotta apparently turn this guy. Is that it? Doing something wrong? Yeah? How do I shift you? How do you change? I just push you up. Is that your story, huh? It's apparently not your story. I'm gonna figure this out. I feel like you should be easy to grasp, you know? What do I need to do to get you to turn? Should I turn you? I don't know. Okay, so I needed to bring in a tool to help me with this. This guy is a biggie fast. So what I'm going to do is shift him and see. Okay, oh, I did something. Oh, you're just stripping. I don't understand. You're an 11. Why with the 10 foot? I'm being impatient with the 10. Oh, I was. Okay, so I want to now twist this bug up and see if I can get him rotating up. Note to self, practice some patience, because anytime you work with some spanners, you will drive yourself crazy. Alright, I've got my booty on, and I've just realized I could probably go a little bit higher, to be honest. Down is still good, but the angle is so hectic. Get a new bugger. I don't know if you can see, but it is definitely going up, yeah? That was my reference mark, I'm getting closer. Doing this one-handed is not a vibe, I can tell you that much, for free. And voila, we are done. Give it a test ride and see how it goes.